Good morning. I'm less sick today. Where are we? Ah, we're by Lincoln City. But I heard Lincoln City wasn't the best place, so we're more up north from there. My church, when I was a kid, used to give out a bunch of these all the time. No way. Look, there's little bird feet everywhere. See them? You know what's kind of cool is there's these little clouds just everywhere. Okay, I know they're not clouds, they're little foam bits, but they're legit everywhere. Look at that. It's like the froth you would get on your Starbucks. It's actually not that cold. Probably because I've been walking in super cold sand for a long time. My feet are low-key numb right now, but this is so beautiful. This is legit so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot about my pants though. As far as beaches go, pretty sure this is definitely my favorite. I found the ultimate froth. Look at that. Ah, this stuff's so cool. I don't have no clue how this gets made, but I am all for it. Fluffy slippers. I know, I am almost at full. I'm at 79%, but hear me out. We are right here. And thanks to this place, we have free 62.5 kilowatts of DC fast charging. Let's flip and go. We have CCS in Chatamo, and it's free. Thanks Tillamook PUD. We have a Model Y using the J adapter. So all we need to do is tap this, be ready to hit start charge. We have our CCS to NACS adapter right here. And I was told you plug this in first and you really gotta shove it in. You see that? That's not all the way in. You gotta Okay, that might be all the way in. This is actually only the second time I've ever used this. The screen's kind of broken, but it is available. The CCS one, we're gonna bring it over here. Why did anyone want to use CCS as standard? The plug is so big. Okay, we're locked in. It does not feel locked in though, so like, let me start the charge. Start charge, you can plug in now. Oh, so you hit start charge first, and then you plug in. Get in the car. Oh, okay, I think I did it. I see a green light. I heard clicking. I heard in use. So check this out, guys. Whichever one you're using is gonna light up blue. Oh my gosh, this Model Y is super flippin' dirty. Oh, I almost just fell. I did not see that. So let's see. Yep, we are getting almost the full 62.5 kilowatts. We're at 60 right now, and it's only gonna take 25 minutes to get to a full battery. Now, I have an LFP battery. For those of you who don't know, that's a lithium phosphate battery, and you're okay to charge that to 100%. Since I'm living out of my car, this is actually day 4 of living out of the Tesla. Free chargers are so flippin' nice. Now, I have been slammed with stuff I want to do. I went from Sacramento, California, and I'm going all the way up to Vancouver, Canada. It's over 1,000 miles. I'm traveling along the coast. And one thing I have neglected is not cleanliness, thankfully, is organization. So let's clean up a bit, get rid of some trash, and then we'll be back on our way. We've finished charging. So let's check out that charge point session. Check it out. So we started super high with 60 kilowatts, no problem. Charging, 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 and then we start to taper off until we are full. What a great session. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna go and disconnect. We gotta separate our connector. How the heck do we do this? Oh no, it's stuck. Look at how big this is. This sucks compared to the little Tesla charger, and the cord is thicker than the Tesla ones. I know this is a standard in some European countries. I don't know why this was gonna be a standard over this, especially when the Tesla connector can still support super fast charging speeds. It blows my mind. So this is the Tillamook Creamery factory. I guess they're in whoa, look, you can stop here. They have a whole thing. Dang, that's cool. Apparently my Tesla was beeping at me because I was not in autopilot. I thought I was, but I was not.
Floating, but I won't surrender to the tide inside of me. Drowning in the endless silence, but I'm who I'm meant to be. I see your light. Take me away from me. Beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up. You got me falling free into eternity.
I don't know exactly where I am, but we have this railway, and this is kind of a sneak preview to what's coming next year. Next year is going to be some train traveling, something I've never done before, and obviously we can't take the Tesla, but hopefully it'll still be flippin' cool. And maybe when I get to where I'm going, I'll just rent a Tesla, and we'll see what life is like in other states. This is so flippin' beautiful. Oh my gosh. If anyone knows what the heck that is, let me know in the comments below. There's another one over there, and I have absolutely zero clue to what that is. It looks like a plant though. Okay, so all of the railroads, I'm gonna call these, they're tracks, right? I think they're tracks. So I guess the wheels, right, they go over this and then they slide, and then they're held together. So there's the woods at the bottom, and there looks to be a metal piece on the outside that probably aligns. Oh yeah, look, it goes on the other side as well. So it goes on both sides, and there's these metal stakes which go in, and I guess that holds the track to the ground. It's pretty cool. And then some of them, like this one is kind of coming out, but I think it's fine. And then, what the heck? I have no clue what this is. On alternating sides, they have these which connect the tracks together, and it goes all the way through. And so yeah, just huge bolt, then a nut, and then bolt, then a nut, bolt, nut, and it just continues forever. No way! Ah! That's so cool. Guys, I was craving a flippin' pizza. I was craving this pizza. It's got ravishing reviews, legit. Oh my flippin' goodness. Is your mouth watering? Cause mine is. Here's the problem. It's closed. And I just realized that after salivating over the pizzas for so long. And it's not even closed for like an hour or 2 hours. No. It's closed till Tuesday, which is tomorrow. What the heck? What the heck? So now we continue driving pizza-less.
Floating, but I won't surrender to the tide inside of me. Drowning in the endless silence, but I'm who I'm meant to be. I see your light. Take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up. You got me falling free into eternity.
Alright guys, you ready to go exploring? I just ate a wild blackberry. It's one of these, and this really nice couple told me it was safe to eat, so I trusted them. I ate one, but look at how flippin' beautiful it is. You have amazing rock, all of these trees. I love how it just slopes, and you can just see the towering mountains above you. So I took the path to the left. We're going down this way. It's a no camping sign, and we have a kind of guide right here. So we have the Devil's Cauldron overlook and then the Elk Flats Trail. Let's go to this one, and then maybe we'll do this one, and then we'll go back. Oh wait, Elk Flats Trail. It's either or. So maybe that way is also the Elk Flats Trail. I'll do all three, who cares? Let's just go and start with this one, and then we'll figure it out from there. We're not going all the way down. It's getting quite hot. Two reasons why we're not going all the way down. One, because I checked Google Maps. It looks like the trail just ends into a forest, which is cool, but given my time constraint, I don't really have time to get lost in a forest. So we're skipping the forest part, and we're just over this overlook. I'm getting the Mini 4 Pro ready. We definitely need a neutral density filter. So I have an ND64 on this, which is a bit strong. So I think we'll go back to an ND32. That's what I've been using this entire time on the DJI FPV camera, and all the shots have come out pretty good. Do you know what's down this trail, or is it your?
No, we haven't ever been down here, but I can tell you if you go up the Cauldron.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
That one?
There's
Okay. Okay.
It's a little bit scary, but it's worth it.
Thank you. So this path is a whole lot cooler. Look at all that. And it's definitely the path more traveled upon. The road is a little bit wider. Actually, it's a lot lighter. The only obstacles you have are these roots, but I'm really hoping to see an awesome viewpoint. And we've made it. I really wonder where that other trail went to, but this is pretty cool. And you can see some of the animals that are here. Wow, look at how small that guy is. I think that's a crab. You know, the great white sharks, unusual rockfish, and the big crabs. Do not go beyond this point, indeed, because that is quite the trip. So I went up a little bit further and it looks like the trail just kind of gets covered. So I don't know if this just hasn't maintained or we're not supposed to be up here, but I'm gonna head back. You can see how there's like actual trail here and there wasn't back there. Even right here, check this out. I walked past this section and yeah, it doesn't seem like this is a trail. So I don't know guys, but I did find a really cool FPV spot and it's down here on the edge. We'll probably sit on this right here and I'll have great signal at least around here. It's gonna be a bit sketchy dipping into there, but I think this is the best place because I want to do a fly down of this entire path and then maybe through the forest and out there, but we'll see how that goes. I just found this at the edge of here. Maybe he liked these trails, so that's pretty cool.
Feel your energy when our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were all